Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a website without paying money. The best platform to do this on is Wix. With Wix, you'll be able to create a website for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. And you can also create professional looking websites as a complete beginner. So you're going to go onto wix.com. From there, you're going to create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Build with the Wix editor. After selecting that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Setup Without Chat, on the search bar you can type in what type of website you would like to create. So it doesn't matter any type of website, whether you're running a construction business and you like a website for your construction company, you can select that. You can select consultancy, any type of business that you're running or any type of website that you'd like to create, you can type it in on the search bar right there. Let's say, for example, we'd like to create a blog website. So I'm just going to select blog, then tap on continue. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, the first thing you're going to do is give your website a name. So you're going to tap right here and you can give your website a name. Then you will tap on continue. Then from here, you could select the different goals that you would like to accomplish with your website. So for example, I will just tap on share knowledge, then tap on continue. And based on the type of website that you had typed in earlier, you will see different suggested apps. Because I selected blog, you can see that they recommend the blog app and also the Instagram feed app. But by scrolling down, you can see different apps that you can quickly add. So if it was a case that I would like to share videos or sell videos, I could select video. I could also sell music and online programs using Wix. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue. Then select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can go over to the left hand menu option. And from here, if you had selected blog, you could tap on blog and you could select create new blog in the top right hand corner. And then from here, you could type in your first blog article. Or if it is a case that you would like to use AI to write your article, you could select AI tools from the left hand menu option and you can choose whether you like it to write a blog post, title, outline, images or so on. And then you'll tap on publish and you'll now have your first blog article. After doing that, you can tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner and select pick a template. Once you have selected pick a template, you'll be redirected to this page. And this is where you'll be able to choose a template to create a professional looking website in no time. So you can scroll down until you see a template of your liking. Let's say for example this one. All you'll need to do is tap on edit. After selecting edit, you'll see this pop up appear. And if it is a case that you'd like to use the Wix AI to write out some content, you could tap on the box and give it some information and then select generate site text. Normally I would select the X to close it, then tap on the plus 50%, and at the moment this is how our website looks right here. Now to start editing it, you can simply hover over any section, then select quick edit in the top left hand corner. After doing that, if you would like to change the title, you can do that. So for example, I can change the title right here. Let's say I wanted to change it to simple answers. I could do that right here. So you can type in whatever you want. You can also select the section background. So I could change the background color if I wanted to. And you can scroll down. For example, if I wanted to change this background image, I would simply select the current background, then tap on quick edit. Then again, I could tap on change and I could change the background right there. If it is a case that I wanted to add a button or text here instead of just leaving it blank, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add elements. Then from there you can see all the various elements that you can add. So whether it is a text, image, button, anything at all you like to add to your website, you will find it in this section. So for example, I'm going to hover over text and I'm just going to be selecting one of these headings, so I'll select this one. After doing that, you could drag and place it right there, and then you could edit the text to your liking. And if you would like to add a button, you could tap on the plus once more in the top left hand corner, hover over a button, then you can see different button styles that you can choose from. You can also choose the PayPal button, which would be the payment button. As you can see right here, you can select PayPal or you can select their donate button. So it varies. But for example, if you just like a button to link to internal pages, you could select button right there. Then you'll tap on the link icon, and from here you'll select page, and you could select the internal page that you would like to link it to. So for example, let's say this page, then tap on done. And talking about pages, to view all the pages on your website, you'll select the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. From here you can see all the pages that are currently on your website. So for example, if I were to select lifestyle, you can see the lifestyle page right here. If we wanted to add a new page, we would tap on add page. Then you can see the different pages, either blank page, about page, services page, and so much more. Once you're finished editing your website, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and you'll be provided with a free domain name, and you're going to tap on save and continue. Once it is finished, as you can see right here, you can see publish your site so people can see it, and you'll tap on publish now, and that's it. Our website is now live. So if we were to tap on view site, this is how our website looks at the moment, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.